Today we're trying Fanta Tutti Frutti. Okay, let's open it.
Is it hard?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, it's fizzing.
Okay.
Okay. I know you're.
Hey, why do you give me a little bit?
Because you may not like it. Now, I don't. Oh, no.
What do you rate it?
You're like a 3.
I rate
A 5.
8.
Okay, you can then have to. Because I can't finish this.
No, we're wasting food or drinks.
Anyways, see ya.
Bye.
Mika, boys.